guys, what's up? It's GracieX33, and odds are I've stalked you via the internet one time or another. So if you're like me, you're one of those teenagers where you get yelled at for spending too much time inside. So I made this video to show you I'm allergic to the outdoors. The internet is my friend. Sun equals enemy. So thumbs up because this video literally hurt me. I'm not kidding, look at my knee. Shut your lawnmower up. I look crazy because everybody and their grandma is outside today. Bug bites equal itchy. Since it's summer vacation, I decided to actually come outside. It's a strange feeling. So subscribe to my channel. I don't know which side it's on, so I'm just pointing with both my fingers because I put up videos every Sunday. And also, please remember to thumbs up and comment, and yeah. I'll see you guys next Sunday. I'm gonna go run around some.